So today we want to connect unit rates, decimals, and proportional relationships together. If you take a look at this table, you can see that we have some missing numbers. So first of all, I'm going to circle our unit rate. You can see that 1 pound cost 50 cents. We can use that information to help us fill in these missing numbers. So probably the easiest way students see the missing numbers is by counting up by 50 cents. Now keep in mind that sometimes works and sometimes doesn't, depending on the numbers that are on the bottom. So you can see they're only adding 1 pound at each time. So that means all we have to do is add 50 cents at each time. So if we take a look, we know that this one has to be $1.50. That decimal in there. This one would have to be $2. And this one, $2.50. Now to connect to proportional relationships though, we can also see that we could kind of skip. So that's talking about using a scale factor. So if we think about 1 times 6 is 6, we can also skip this way and say 0.50 or 0.5 without the 0 times by 6 will also give us $3. Okay, we can add that extra 0 to make it money.